Good morning, all. Today we will discuss the topic types of chemical reactions. There are so many reactions going on in our surroundings. In some of the reactions, something new substance is forming. In some other reactions, the existing substance breaks down and forms new substances, or in some other reactions, some components are added and some are lost. So on the basis of variety of those reactions, we have 5 main categories. Number 1 is combination reaction, number 2 is decomposition reaction, third is displacement reaction, fourth double displacement reaction, and last oxidation reduction reaction. So the first one is called as combination reaction. Now the word combination itself suggests us that something is going to combine. So those reactions in which two or more than two reactants or will combine together and they make a single product. Now here the term single product is very much important. Means whenever the reaction shows the formation of product in a single one only, then we consider such type of reaction as combination reaction. Now we have some examples like burning of carbon. Burning of carbon or simply burning of coal in which contains pure carbon will give us carbon dioxide gas, that is a single product here. Same when hydrogen and oxygen elements combine together, they form water molecule. Burning of magnesium ribbon, as you know very well, magnesium burns and forms a single product like magnesium oxide. Same with that, where calcium when combines with water, here calcium oxide will be there. Calcium oxide when combines with water, it gives us calcium hydroxide. Calcium oxide, you know very well, it is also called as quicklime or chuna, and whenever it is dissolved in water, the reaction remains exothermic, where a lot of heat is evolved, and this new product formed single one is called as slacked lime. This slacked lime is used for whitewashing the walls, and whenever after whitewashing, you never find the bright white shining in the walls. It only comes after 2-3 days. So during those 2-3 days timings, this calcium hydroxide layer combines with the carbon dioxide present in air and forms a thin layer of calcium carbonate. This calcium carbonate formation only brings the bright white shining on the walls after 2 to 3 days, and water gets evaporated. So this is a very useful reaction which is found available, combination reaction in our surroundings. So here this reaction particularly will not be considered as a combination, but here we consider this one as combination reaction. Now during the combination reactions, variety of substances combine together. It may be the case where the two elements combine together, or an element combines with a compound, or it may be the combination of two compounds. As you can see here, certain examples are here where in this particular category of examples, you can find the combination of a single element with that of a compound, and it gives us a new single compound. So same here, these all examples, they show a combination of an element with a compound. Similarly here at the bottom, these are showing the combination of two compounds like ammonia and sulfuric acid, and it gives us a single product, that is ammonium sulfate. Same here with ammonia with HCl, it gives us ammonium chloride. So there are various examples where, as you can see in the first category, here the combination is of elements. Elements combine together and form a new compound, single new compound, under the category combination reaction. So during this combination reaction, the variety of components combine together and they form a single product. We will see the next type of reactions, decomposition, in my next lecture. Thank you.